Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Earl Grey Vanilla Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry. First thing you gotta do is you put these ice cubes from this mini metal bowl into this mug. Then after that, you add in the water. Go here. Go here. And then, after that, you add in the calamansi citrus and strawberry carbonated water into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated Earl Grey Vanilla Calamansi Citrus and Strawberry. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace and cheers, and have a nice summer.